Hey guys, this is Min here. It is XXYYZ day in quarantine. I don't know. Anyway, I ordered something from Amazon and it finally came in, so let's check it out. Check this out. This is a mixer. It's from Maker's Hart. It's a Just Mixer S, so haven't opened it up yet. I'm gonna open it up and let's check it out. Okay. So first, nice little sticker and some contact cards. And wow, it's a little bigger than I thought, but still, owner's manual. I think this is from Taiwan. But the point of this mixer is, it is a battery powered or USB powered mixer that allows me to get 3.5 millimeter inputs. Whoops. 3.5 millimeter inputs with little knobs, and I get an output, and I get a earphone output. So why do I need something like this? And oh, anything else? Oh, it also comes with the battery, and oh yes, comes with one of these cables, and it comes with a USB cable, charger cable, and a little nice little pouch. Okay. All right. Anyway, so why do I need one of this? Is because I got a couple of computers and I have a Alexa. So what I want to do is I want to put computer 1 here, computer 2 here, and then Alexa here. So that should be.
You are 2.03 miles, 3.26 kilometers, northwest of the center of Seattle.
Well, thank you, Alexa. Thank you. Anyway, so that should allow me to mix the audio of my share. Basically, with this mixer, I should be able to share my PC speakers without getting another PC speaker. Really. So let's see how it works out, huh? Hey guys, so I'm back. So now we're gonna connect this thing up and see how it works. First of all, I'm going to put the batteries back in. I'm not going to use the USB just yet. I'm going to use the batteries. So it's supposed to be portable. So let's give it a try. Okay. So the batteries put in. And now I need to add the inputs. So I have 3 inputs, a master and out. So this goes out to my computer speaker. I'll put this one is the computer, and this one is the second computer, and this is from Alexa. Oh yeah, I gotta turn this sucker on first. There we go. Alexa, play some music. Alexa, cancel. Well, okay, that's pretty cool. It actually works. Let me see. Let's go over here and enable the speakers. Oh. Alexa, play some music.
Here is Apple Music.
Alexa, cancel. That's cool, man. It actually works. It actually works. There you go. This is the Just Mixer S. I'll use it for a while and see if it actually causes any issues or anything. But initially, I hear a little bit of static and maybe the cables. We'll see. But I'll do a review maybe later on in a week and see how it goes. But as for now, works pretty well. Hey guys, this is Min again. Hey, just want to give you a little bit of a follow-up. So I played around with it for about 20 or 30 minutes, and it's been pretty amazing. So if you're looking for a mixer, a small mixer that's fairly cheap, I say go for it, because this thing is 3 inputs. I played with it. I think there's some grounding issues with my computer and things like that. That's what's causing some of the noises. But as soon as you start playing with the volume a little bit, it's perfectly fine. I'm also connected to the headphones right now, so I can listen to everything here. And you can actually tune up the master volume, so you can actually have both musics playing there and onto your headphone as well. You could adjust the different computer volumes or other additional inputs and actually mix them together. So for my use, where I just want to get the Alexa to output to the computer speaker, and while still having the computer speaker output its sound, it's perfectly fine and it works well. So not a bad little thing, huh? All right, take care and have a great day. Subscribe if you like. All right, thanks. Bye.